Thank you Hungarian customers for trusting our products and purchasing the EA1000C3 rental LED screen. EA1000C3 is not only beautiful in appearance design, but also made of sturdy and durable materials, ensuring its outstanding performance in various rental scenarios. There are two quick locking devices on the left and right sides of the screen, which greatly improves the assembly speed, while also ensuring the flatness of the screen, providing a smoother visual experience for performances and events. In addition, the bottom of the EA1000C3 cabinet is specially designed with anti-collision feet, which can effectively protect the edges of the LED module and reduce damage during frequent disassembly and assembly. These design details fully reflect our strict requirements for product quality and also provide customers with a more reliable and durable choice.